Switched ES Continental lamp holders are not commonly used in this country. However, it is preferred by some as an alternative to using the traditional push bar bayonet cap lamp holder or using an inline switch. By watching this video, you will know everything you need to know how to use this lamp holder so you can use it straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I will guide you around this lamp holder. Let's get started. Today we're going to show you a Edison screw lamp holder or E27 lamp holder with a switch. This is how the lamp holder will come to you, and I will have sent it out without it screwed down. That's because there's a locking mechanism, so we'll unscrew that. If it has been tightened down for some reason, that is the locking mechanism, and just push it down to unwind it. So you see now I've unwound it, you can just, but always before you wire it, make sure it's levered up into position, because that stops it unwinding when you change the bulb. So we've taken off the skirt. Next, push your thumb on the base of the switch and push at the same time as gently easing the top out. That's, you don't want to just pull from the top because the switch is connected to the live terminal. It's got a 10mm thread. So first of all, you'll screw that onto your fitting, and there's a locking nut to secure it to the M10 thread. Ensure that that is tightened down with your screwdriver before you do any wiring. So we use a 2-core, these are 2-core wires because they're double insulated, and we've prepared the ends. And the first one we're going to do on this lamp holder is the neutral, and we'll tighten that down. Now the other live wire, instead of going into the terminal on the base of the insert, we put into the spare terminal on the switch, and again tighten down, and then we swivel it round, pop the switch down, sliding it. It will fit neatly, just check it's all in and sitting firmly on the base of the lamp holder. And then take the skirt, notice the locking mechanism is up, ready to go, and screw that down until you hear it ratcheting, and go right the way down until it's tight, and there we are. You've got your lamp holder with a switch ready to go. In the switched Edison screw version, we have one other colour, and that's the gold one. Both of these lamp holders, if you're having a shade, will need shade rings. Sometimes people say, well, I don't need an Edison screw, what else is available? For a 2-core wire or double insulated lamp, we have the bayonet cap switch lamp holders. For some reason, these are 1/2" threaded entry, so you will need a reducer if you're going onto a 10mm. They're available in black and white. Alternatively, instead of using a switch lamp holder, you can use a standard Edison screw lamp holder without a switch and fit an inline switch. If you've decided this is right for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders, and please do get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.